Hello, this is Mike Reed with a Scotsman ice machine training class for the Mobile, Alabama area. Class is going to be on Wednesday, September 27th, 2023. It's a half a day class. It's from 8 to noon at the American Legion, Post 88. Please call or email branche8. All right, so I included the number below. Let them know that you are coming. They're doing these classes, anticipating that people will show. Please call and register for the class. I believe the class is, let's see here. Yes, the class is $30. So this class is $30. It's only from 8 to 12. Donuts and sandwiches are provided. Just remember that once you sign up for the class and you're trained on the nuggets and the cube, then you could do any warranty work that you might have. So you don't have to pass on your work to somebody else. You could take care of everything. If it's a restaurant with a remote and the capacitor goes out, you can go ahead and change that and you get paid for the whole thing. Let's see here. Who's the sponsor for this one? And this one is going to be sponsored by Edward Bunker. Thank you, Edward Bunker, for your donation that makes this video possible. And thank you all for watching the video in Alabama. I appreciate you guys liking and subscribing to the channel.